warning for northern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Nora to near Center Hill to Camp Miss Elkton near Goose Lake, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Freeport, Sterling, Rock Falls, Morrison, Mount Carroll, Fulton, Savannah, Lena, Stockton, Leonard, Warren, Garden Plain, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Pearl City, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Davis, and Sabula. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is